Replacement of the switch involves removing the plastic trim around the bottom of the seat. Begin by moving the seat as far forward as possible. If you cannot move the seat due to the bad switch, you should still have enough room to work, although it may make it a bit more difficult. You'll need to remove this cover panel to access one of the fastening screws behind. Carefully pry the panel out from the front edge as indicated by the green arrow. Next, remove the T25 torque screw underneath, green arrow. You'll now need to remove the 3 T25 torque screws holding the front edge of the trim panel to the seat frame. Try to get the seat as far forward as possible for more access to the screws. Now pull the trim panel towards the front enough for the metal guide, green arrow, to clear. Maneuver the trim panel so you can access the rear of the switch. Remove the two electrical connectors from the switch assembly by squeezing the plastic tabs inward, green arrows, and then pulling the connectors out of the switch. Keep in mind that the electrical connections may be different if you have a memory function built into the switch. Remove the 4 T20 torque screws holding the switch assembly to the trim panel. Here is the final result. When installing the new switch assembly, take care not to over-tighten the screws holding it to the trim panel. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.